Today, I'm diving into the crazy world of light-speed tech and putting it to the test to see if it can actually read my mind. Imagine a world where our thoughts are no longer private, where technology can tap into our brains and decode our innermost thoughts and desires. It sounds like the stuff of sci-fi movies, but is it really that far-fetched? With the rapid advancement of light-speed technology, the possibilities seem endless. The idea of using technology to read minds raises a plethora of challenges and ethical dilemmas. For one, there's the issue of privacy. Would we be comfortable with the idea that our thoughts are no longer our own, that someone or something can tap into our brain activity at will? Then there's the question of free will. If our thoughts can be read and even influenced, do we still have control over our own decisions? There's also the concern about who would have access to this technology and how it would be used. Would it be limited to medical professionals or researchers, or could it fall into the wrong hands? The potential for misuse is vast, and it's a responsibility that we can't take lightly. Furthermore, if we can read minds, do we also have a responsibility to intervene if we sense harmful or violent thoughts? As we navigate the complexities of mind-reading technology, we must consider the ethical implications of playing with fire. It's a delicate balance between innovation and responsibility, and it's crucial that we take a step back to evaluate the consequences of our creations. By doing so, we can ensure that these advancements benefit humanity rather than harm it. Brain-computer interfaces, or BCIs, have been a breakthrough in the field of neuroscience. These devices can decode brain signals, allowing people to control devices with their minds. It's a technology that's already being used to help people with paralysis or other motor disorders. But BCIs are just the beginning. Optical imaging techniques, such as functional near-infrared spectroscopy, can also read brain activity with remarkable accuracy. These advancements are paving the way for more sophisticated, mind-reading technology. Researchers are working on developing implants that can read brain signals in real time, allowing for seamless communication between humans and machines. It's a future that's both exhilarating and unsettling, and it's crucial that we're aware of the implications. A recent study published in the journal Nature demonstrated the ability to decode brain activity with unprecedented accuracy. Using a combination of fMRI and EEG, researchers were able to reconstruct visual images that participants were thinking about. It's a groundbreaking achievement that brings us one step closer to reading minds. The significance of this study can't be overstated. It's a glimpse into a future where our thoughts are no longer private. Imagine being able to communicate with people who are unable to speak or type. Imagine being able to decode the thoughts of people with severe brain injuries or neurological disorders. The potential benefits of this technology are vast, but it's crucial that we acknowledge the risks and take steps to mitigate them. As we venture further into the realm of light-speed tech and mind reading, it's essential that we keep our feet firmly grounded in reality. We must acknowledge the potential implications and take responsibility for our creations. With great power comes great responsibility, and it's up to us to ensure that this technology benefits humanity rather than harms it. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear your thoughts on the implications of mind-reading technology in the comments below. If you want to learn more about the fascinating world of light-speed tech, be sure to check out my other videos.